High-intensity workouts for belly fat. Number 1. Pilates. Pilates exercises focus on core strength and stability. Moves like the hundreds, rolling like a ball, and teaser can be effective in toning the abdominal area. Number 2. Medicine ball slams. Hold a medicine ball overhead and forcefully slam it to the ground while squatting down. This dynamic exercise engages your core and releases pent-up energy. Perform 3 sets of 12, 15 slams. Number 3. Lying leg lifts. Lie on your back with your legs straight and hands under your hips. Lift your legs up towards the ceiling while keeping them straight. Slowly lower them back down without touching the floor. Perform 3 sets of 12, 15 repetitions. Remember that spot reduction is not a guaranteed outcome. It's important to adopt a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, proper hydration, and adequate sleep for overall well-being and fat loss. Always prioritize your health and well-being while working towards your fitness goals. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.